exploring Legoland! We're filming it over like a couple of weeks, so that's why I'm wearing different outfits basically every single day. This is the best! Finally!
We are first ones in Legoland.
Yeah, we're finally in the actual theme park.
Yeah.
Look at that dinosaur!
Woohoo!
Yeah, finally!
You can go down the slide or you can go down the stairs. What do you choose? See, there is a slide as well. Woohoo! Woohoo!
That's boring, people.
And the day is gorgeous with lots of sun.
Oh god, I already feel
There are some things. We're not going that way, Andy. We're going the other way.
We're going
For
here
the
to get
dragon.
to the dragon, and then we're going to go to this like skyline thing,
Yeah.
which is a 4D ride.
Yeah.
If you don't know what 4D means, it's basically like 3D, so everything's 3D. But if something splashes in the movie or the ride, they actually splash real water on you. So
And the seats also shake if, for example, there is an earthquake or
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
also there's fog.
And fog as well, yeah.
Also, if you're in a volcano, there's probably going to be heated seats.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
This is
We're off to the dragon, but somehow there is no one in there. I hope the ride is working. What do you think, Andy?
Well, that's actually pretty disappointing because all the rides open at 10. So at least we'll be the first in the line when the rides do open. That's about 30 minutes away.
Yeah.
So we'll have to wait here for now.
I see.
The magnificent park.
This castle is really realistic. How did they make it? I don't know. That's cool.
Is that like actual stone?
Check.
That
Is
is stone. What?
it? Is it stone?
They made an entire, yes, they made an entire castle dedicated to this one ride.
Yeah. We're waiting for Dragon Apprentice in a queue.
Yeah, the Dragon Apprentice, because we just went on the proper dragon and it was a bit too much for my little brother.
Yeah.
princess will soon be mine.
There's like Aladdin chest.
That's Aladdin cave. There is Genie as well.
Yeah, and there's lots of things in this cave that look very expensive. Oh, well. Where the Lord of the entire Legoland is waiting for us. The Lion of Mythic.
Yeah. He's gorgeous. Just been to this ride.
Amazing, amazing, amazing ride. You're like suspended in a car, and you like move, the seats move, and you aren't even wearing 3D glasses, and it looks so real in front of you. And all of I'd say this is the best part of the park so far.
Yeah, it was quite a long wait, but was it worth it?
Yes, although the wait was like 80 years.
Yeah.
Now, sadly, we're not allowed to film basically any roller coasters, so this video might get a little boring. This is crazy, but still, it's nothing compared to the massive lion over there. You also, okay, this is still amazing. I don't know how to describe
Chimera,
it.
isn't it?
Yes, it's the Chimera.
We are on the submarine.
Oh no! Hold on to your bricks, recruits. We're ready to dive.
There is shark.
Yes, we have This is the best.
They're usually found in these kind of tropical waters.
What do you see?
I see
Octopus.
Time to find Atlantis. We're off to a fine fishing town.
We're trying to find a legendary island called Atlantis. Wow, it's amazing. It's crazy.
Awesome fact. Sharks have been on the earth longer than dinosaurs.
Wow.
Don't forget about the cow.
There is shark. There is shark.
They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find their food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yes!
Yay! We're approaching Atlantis.
This is Miniland. It's amazing. How much pieces do you think it took to make the whole thing? Comment down below. Comment down below how much pieces do you think it took to make the whole thing. Eiffel Tower. It's so hard to believe that this is all built out of Lego. Even the Louvre is Lego.
Yeah.
And like basically Mount Everest.
I don't think it's Everest. Something else.
Might be. You guys right there who's not a solo.
Oh yeah, I see. No, I think it's like general or something. That's why he has different uniform.
Now I'm going on the Scarab Bouncers, which basically like takes you up and then drops you down. Although it doesn't look very high, it is.
Let's go! The Scarab Bouncers.
That was actually amazing.
You like
That
it?
doesn't look high, but when you're up there, it feels really high.
Yeah, that's true.
When you go down, it's so fast. Help!
Ah! He's stuck in the... Oh no, she ate him.
Freezing custom watermelon basketballs. It's amazing custom watermelon basketballs.
Yeah, they're so cool.
We're about to go to the craziest ride in Legoland, Minifigure Speedway.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright.
So we just got off Minifigure Speedway. It was so much better than I thought. I thought I was gonna scream. I didn't even scream once.
Yeah, it was so good.
Anyway guys, I hope you actually enjoyed the video, but we didn't actually get to film that much of the ride, so yeah, sadly, might be a little bit of a boring video, but hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and